Hey everyone, welcome back to EduCats, your go-to channel for all things of cat. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. To create a 3D feature, it is necessary to draw its 2D sketch. In the Sketcher environment, the sketch of the feature is created. Dimensions and constraints are provided to sketch. The designer can make sure that the 2D sketch of the product is satisfying the necessary conditions. Then continue to create 3D model of the product in the part mode. In this video, we will see how to apply different Sketcher environment commands to draw 2D geometries of the modeling software, apply various constraints and dimensions to the 2D sketch. Let's get started. First step is to invoke Sketcher environment. For that, we have to go File, click on New, then new pop-up window will open. In this window, we have to select Sketch Radio button. After clicking on it, give file name as you want. And click OK. Then Sketcher environment window will open. Sketcher is the main creation tool of parametric CAD software. The Sketcher toolbar ribbon is located at the top of the window. This section explores the many options of Sketcher. Its basic icons are shown on its top of the window. The left mouse button is used to select geometry or to select a location when creating a geometry. This display shows the Sketcher tools as well as setup, get data, operations, datum, then sketching commands, then editing commands, then constraints, dimensions. These are the toolbars displayed at the top of this window. In this video, we will see the stepwise procedure how to draw this 2D geometry by using grid and snap to grid options. Initially, set the Sketcher Workbench. For that, go to the file, then go to the options. Here, new window will open. In this window, select Sketcher option, and this Sketcher option, see the Sketcher grid, and click on grid display and snap to grid. Okay. Then again, you have to change accuracy and sensitivity. Here, number of decimal places for dimensions take as a 2. Okay, and click on OK. Okay. Now you can see the display grid displayed on the window. Now we have to set the X spacing and Y spacing for current exercise of this grid. For that, click on a grid setting and specify the X and Y spacing. Here I am specifying as a 5 x-axis and 5 for y-axis and click OK. Now you can see the spacing of grid will change. Here we have set the initial settings for drawing this 2D geometry. Okay. Now step by step we will see how to draw this geometry. Select line command from the Sketcher toolbar. Click on the display where you want to start line, then move cursor by 2 lines of this grid for 10 units. Again, as per your drawing, complete this drawing. After that, from here, one arc. So select arc which is center and end. Select this center starting point and give a end point. After that, again continuation of line. Select this line and click. After that, again arc and select arc. Then again line. Like that, complete this drawing. You can see the horizontal and vertical constraints automatically given by this software. Okay. Now you can see the drawing is completed as per our exercise drawing. Okay. You can modify these dimensions by double clicking on it. But here I am creating it as per the dimension, so here is no need to edit it. Okay. So place dimensions where you want as per your drawing. If you want again some dimensions, for that go to the dimensions and click where the dimensions you want. Okay. So here is the first exercise completed by using grid and snap to grid.